In this video, we will learn how to set up shared web licensing for student teams. Shared web licensing allows student teams to install and use ANSYS software without requiring machine-specific information or a centralized license server. It is ideal for student teams as team members can work remotely without relying on university IT. Please note that an internet connection is required to activate and use the license on the device. Before we begin, let's go through a few important details. Once the ANSYS sponsorship is approved, ANSYS assigns an admin role called the ANSYS Support Coordinator to the student team's primary contact listed on the application. This person is responsible for managing the team's licenses and granting license access to other student members. Once the licenses are released, the ANSYS Support Coordinator will receive an email confirming that the student team licenses have been issued. This email includes important details such as the Support Coordinator email ID, account number, account name, and a link to access the ANSYS licensing portal. Now, click on the licensing portal link provided in the email. A browser window will open and you will be asked to either sign up or sign in. Important, while signing up or signing in, make sure you use the same email address that received the licensing email from ANSYS. If you use a different email address, you will not be able to access the student team licenses. Once you successfully log in, you will see the licensing dashboard. This screen shows the licenses available in your account. Make sure the license model displayed here is Shared Web Licensing. Next, go to Assignments under Web, then select Groups and click on Manage Groups in ANSYS ID. Now click on Users. Here you will see your name listed with the role ANSYS Support Coordinator. You can now begin adding student team members to provide them access to the licenses. To do this, click on Add, enter the student member's email address, and assign the role as Member. Make sure you add the official student email address provided by the college or university. Do not use personal email addresses such as Gmail or Yahoo. You can add team members one by one using the Add option, or you can add multiple members at once using the Import Users option. Now let's look at the steps for student team members. Once their email addresses are added in the licensing portal, they will receive an email requesting them to register. They simply need to complete the registration process. After registration is complete, they will have access to the student team licenses. Once the student team members have access, they can proceed with installing ANSYS software. After completing the installation, users must activate web licensing. To do this, open ANSYS Licensing Settings from the Start menu. It is recommended to open this panel by selecting Run as Administrator. If you do not have administrator access, you can change the option from Installation to User within the panel. Then go to Products under Web Licensing and enable Web Licensing. Next, sign into your ANSYS account when prompted. After logging in, return to the same licensing settings panel and click on Check in All. This will refresh the connection and display the list of licenses available on your device. That's it. Your license is now active and you can start using the software.
Please note that if the internet connection drops for more than 4 hours, you will need to refresh your connection from here.
If you face any issues during activation or usage, please post your question on the forum for technical support. That completes the Share Web Licensing setup for student teams. In the next video, we will see how to download and activate the ANSYS software. Thanks for watching.